Hello all, welcome to Cloud for Green Technologies. In this video, we will study about the future scope of digital marketing. So with the rising influence of internet networking, digital marketing is guaranteed to observe an upward tendency. So traditional marketing techniques are becoming old and digital marketing now it is taking forefront in each area. Why? Because the digital marketing is simple to do, it is easy and less expensive compared to traditional marketing. Analytics and statistics suggest that 40% growth rate for the digital marketing in upcoming year, and also going to multifold. But for the other industry, it is going to 5 to 10%. At the same time, the demand for digital marketing experts is going to up, and professionals with digital marketing training certification are at the top. So let's have a look into digital revolution in India. Let us take an example of Jio. Google has invested rupees 33,737 crores in Jio industry. So by doing this, it is going to develop a 5G technology, okay, and produce affordable smartphones so that everybody can able to use the smartphone. Google now holds 7.73% stake in Geo platforms. Another giant, Facebook, so it has invested in Geo. So how much it has invested? It has invested rupees 43,574 crore, and it has got a like 9.99% stake in Geo platforms. So Jio is the biggest telecom operator, which has got more than 400 million subscribers. Not only this, Indian OTT market, that is Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar. So this market is going to reach $5 billion by the 2023. Also, educational technology companies, that is edutech revolution is happening. You may be heard of Byju's, you may be heard of the Unacademy. So there are a lot of edtech companies, so which are growing day by day. So many investors are investing high for this online education. So according to a report, so the Indians which are living in cities now they are spending more time on social media such as Facebook, YouTube, and they're now watching less television. So, but before 5 to 6 years, it was not the case. They used to watch televisions, but now day by day, they are spending more time on social media. So the digital revolution in India, so it is driven by the 4G, which reduced the data cost considerably and increase in smartphone penetration. The digital revolution in India is driven by 4G, so which reduced the data cost considerably. So thanks to Jio, it brings the revolution in India by introducing 4G at affordable prices. So in 2020, India had nearly 700 million internet users across the country. This figure was projected to grow to over 974 million users by 2025. So by this, you can expect a big market potential for the internet services for the South Asian country. So in fact, India was ranked as the second largest online market worldwide in 2019. So this is like as after the China. So it has got like second position. So this graph indicates number of internet users in India from 2015 to 2020. So you can see, so in 2015, there are only like 302 million users. In 2016, 342. So like 2017, 422. So in 2020, now it is 696. 2021 now reached 761. So by the 2025, it will reach 974 million users. So with the 5G technology, so as we have already mentioned that Google has invested in Geo, so they are now bringing 5G technology and affordable smartphones. So by this, the internet users will be now they can able to download significant data such as games with better graphics, songs, and movies in just a seconds. So it will happen in just a seconds if the 5G technology is introduced. So the increased time spent on digital mediums so sets the stage for enormous growth in digital marketing. That's why the future of digital marketing in India looks brighter than the traditional media. So that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.